Hey there, plant lovers! If you're tired of dealing with waterlogged roots or simply want fuss-free plants, you are in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into the world of houseplants that couldn't care less about drainage. Let's skip the drainage drama and discover plants that love the wet life. Rough Horsetail. First up, we have the Rough Horsetail. This tough plant calls wetlands home, making it a perfect pick for those who overwater. It's not just tolerant of excess moisture, it thrives on it, adding resilience to your indoor space. Lucky Bamboo. Next on our list is the timeless Lucky Bamboo. It's a symbol of luck and prosperity, and guess what? It's totally cool with no drainage. With its simple elegance, you can showcase it in any pot or vase you prefer. Water Hyacinth. Looking for aquatic charm? Meet the Water Hyacinth. Great for balconies or indoor gardens, as long as it gets some direct light. Just remember to thin it out if it gets a bit crowded. Cypress Umbrella Plant. Embrace the swampy vibe with the Cypress Umbrella Plant. Thriving in wet conditions, it loves being in saturated soil. Plant it in a no-drainage pot and watch its unique leaves flourish. Water Lettuce. Say hello to water lettuce, a floating delight that adds playfulness to water features. Whether in a pond, water garden, or indoor terrarium, its free-floating roots bring a touch of charm. Water Lily. Get ready to be wowed by the water lily. Its array of colors will transform your gardening game. Grow it indoors in spacious containers or in small aquariums and enjoy its simple beauty. Houseplant cuttings. Last but not least, let's talk propagation. Houseplant cuttings from pothos to philodendrons thrive in water-filled vases, saying goodbye to drainage worries. It's an easy way to expand your plant family, too. There you have it, a lineup of houseplants that ignore drainage concerns. If you found these tips handy, give us a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical gardening insights. With these water-loving plants, your gardening journey just got simpler. Until next time, keep those thumbs green and spirits high. We'll catch you in the next one.